Look at the finishing. Isn't it awesome? Look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sutapa Ghosh and today I am drawing one beautiful sketch of a rider, woman rider rather, and it took 3 hours to complete the total portrait. Believe it, this is so laborious. So many minute details are there, and after observing it for I think 1 minute, you will get that how much effort I have given, and I deserve one like at least. I am not forcing you to subscribe my channel. No, if I don't have that capacity, don't subscribe my channel. But definitely after viewing the full portrait, you will definitely feel that this video needs a single like at least. Today, my heart's speaking with me that yes, this particular portrait will get a like from viewers. Viewers, if you are not satisfied with this particular portrait, please comment me and write directly that this is not done up to the mark. I will be happy. But if you feel that yeah, this portrait has some capacity, has something in it, some X factor is there, then please give one like. Observe each and every minute works. Look at the bike, all the minute details I have done so beautifully, especially the tire and the engine and all. So many detailed works are there, and I have used different kinds of shades. If you are interested to know that how I am shading all those areas, then please comment me. I will definitely make videos on that. But again, I am repeating myself that this portrait deserves likes from you. Viewers, if you are watching till now, then you only judge and tell my video is deserving a like or not. If it is not, dislike it, directly dislike it. But if you feel that yes, this video has some potential, then give a like. I'll be so happy because I'm satisfied. When the artist satisfied with themselves, then that is the biggest achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Lakshmi Puja to all of you. Thank you for watching till here. Take care. Bye.